Okay, good evening sa inyo guys. My name is CJ Lumibo and today we are going to have an coding session activity. So, itong activity natin, it involves using struct, arrays, it involves also using sort algorithm and the search algorithm. Okay, so first things first, we have to read the problem here. Create a menu-driven program that uses struct named as EMP and has the members int, emp no, character, emp name, int, emp date, float, salary. So ito yung mga data types natin and the variables of these integers. Okay, so let me turn down the music just a bit. Okay, so the program should be able to accept 5 records of employee and search a record using EMP number and display the employee information that has the EMP number. Display in a report form and sort the employee records by emp no. Okay, so we have to do this with a menu driven program. So first things first, we have to determine the struct that we are going to use. So we are going to declare our struct EMP. EMP kasi ito yung pangalan ng named as EMP. And then let's put in our members, struct members. So int emp no, int emp name 50, int emp depth. No, we have to change this into character. And float salary. And we have to declare this as an array, guys. Okay? So, struct EMP employees. So, ito yung variable name natin. We will be using the variable name employees for our struct. And, nga pala, we have to accept 5 records. Therefore, we are going to convert our variable into an array. So, this struct can now hold 5 records. And let's put in our void, our functions, our menu, void record entry, void search record, void report, record entry, and void sort, void get character. Okay, so this is a separate void for our get character. So I'll explain this later on. But of course, we have to focus with these functions. Okay. Void record entry, yun yung para sa accept ng records natin, 5 records. Search record, yun yung magsa-search tayo ng record. And report, display in a report form, and as well as our sort, our number 4 requirement. Okay, so let's put in our menu first. Papaganahin natin siya. So character and ends is equals to single quote, and while ends is not q, ends is menu. And then let's put in our switch statement, ans, case w, and we have to just copy and paste that later, but I will do our case first, our cases. Case r, break, case t, colon, break, and we have to just copy and paste our voids. I forgot our semicolon here. and our sort. And let's put in a farewell message here. Farewell message. Thank you for using this program. Printf you program you have pressed Q to exit. And let's put in our void statements. The character menu first. Okay. And system CLS here. And let's use our void here. Ito kasi, itong void natin na get character. Ito, ang laman nito ay yung return to upper get ch natin. Printf. So we are going to do a call by reference style of coding. Style of coding tuloy. Call by reference code. In which we are going to call a function, guys. We are going to call a function. Ito yung tatawagin natin once na nakalagay sa code natin to mamaya. You'll see, guys. You'll see. Makikita niyo yan. Done. Printf. Press any key to continue. Return to upper get ch. And then we are just going to call the void get character para hindi natin to ika-copy paste ng paulit-ulit. Okay? Dati kasi ganitong ginagawa natin. Pinipaste natin dyan and sa another function we are going to paste it again. Pero para hindi tayo mahirapan and magmukhang malinis ang code natin, ganito ang ginagawa natin. We are just going to call a function. Next, our void record entry. Void record entry. Void search record. Search record. And then void sort. And then void report. Let's copy and paste our system CLS. Okay, so ganyan. And let's copy and paste our call by reference function. And I think this is okay. But we have to create our menu, guys. Let's type in here our menu. So printf 1 2 3 main menu 1 2 3 \n printf w to enter employee records \n and we can just copy and paste this. Q E R T Q E R T Q and then search a record. search an employee record, and then display report, and then sort records, and then quit program, printf, enter your choice. No, you can just type in like this, choice, WERTQ, and then get our get character. So let's try our program now. I forgot the T. Okay, so struct. Okay, so yes, accidentally, nope, execute, compile and run. Okay, so I have a mistake here. Change this to a small letter F. Okay, so what seems to be problem? Return returning void, print ft. I think it seems that I have caused an okay, print ft. Where is that? Print ft. Let's check our printfs. Okay, so this is the one. I'm just trying to troubleshoot our code here. Okay, so this is our code. Okay, so we have a code here. Let's try to remove that. Okay, when I type in here, yes, I forgot to initiate the system CLS. Okay, so let's try and run the program. Everything seems to be like working well. W. Of course, wala pa tayong mga codes. So if I press R, if I press T, if I press Q, the program will quit. Okay. Okay, so things are pretty working well. Okay. So next, we are going to initiate our maybe like our first requirement, which is yung accept 5 records of employee. Ibig sabihin nun, our program should be able to accept 5 records of employee tapos i-store niya doon sa struct natin. So how can we do that? Punta tayo dito kay record entry. And then, of course, gagamit tayo ng for loop because we are going to enter 5 records, guys. Okay? Int I, hindi mawawala si index. And then, car dummy. So, ito yung character na makakapag-accept lang. Ito yung, ang ginagawa nito, makakapag-accept lang siya ng mga extra line para hindi mag-skip yung prompt natin. For I is equals to 0, I is lesser than 5, I plus plus. Okay? And then sa loob ng for loop natin, system CLS, and print our record here, record %d \n I plus 1 para makita natin kung anong record na or kung anong employee na yung nilalagay natin. Pang ilang employee na siya. And printf enter emp no, scanf %d, comma, ampersand, employees, and I, don't forget the I, because we are like going to enter a record into an array. So employee number. And let's put in our scanf %c, ampersand, dummy. So ito yung tumatanggap ng ano natin, ng parang extra line. Nangyayari kasi kapag wala to, i-skip niya yung pangalawang prompt dito. So printf enter name, scanf percent up \n_s, or we could just type in here asterisk c. Okay. And then ampersand employees dot emp name. We're going to put in our name. And then same as this one, you're just going to copy paste that thing here and department number. And emp dep, and then copy and paste this one, salary, and change this into salary %d, but we are going to put in a float value. Okay, so everything seems to be working well here. No. So let's try and run the program and see if there's any records. So enter employee, okay, I accidentally pressed Q. Enter employee records, say 555 CJ Lumibaw, department number 6, salary 15,000. So it is working well, guys. Let's try type in here random stuff just for the sake of speeding up this video tutorial. Okay, so it returns to the main menu. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito, guys. Next, we are going to display our record in a report form. Okay? Yun na lang yung unahin natin. Rather yung isunod natin. So we are going to use our report function. Okay? So as usual, gagamit tayo ng for loop dito. And printf employee records \n and printf here %11s, %27s, %15s, %15s, \n, and let's state our strings. Emp no, name, dep, salary, and let's put in our for loop. I is equals to 0, I is lesser than 5, I plus plus. Printf here %11d, %11 27s for our name, %15d, %15.2f because our value is a float. And para mag-state tayo ng, or rather mag-display tayo ng mga struct members natin even in an array or multiple records, employees I dot emp number, comma, employees I dot emp name, employees I dot emp dep, employees I dot emp salary. Okay, so this is done, and maybe like let's check for any errors, or is there any errors? No. So let's enter employee, our employees, 555 CJ Lomibaw, 5 and 15,000 150,000, 777, ay no, Zhongli Vasquez, 2, salary 65,000. Enter na record number 3, Frederick, no, it's employee number, I'm sorry, 423 Frederick Velasco, department number 8, and salary 88,000. And 111 Ayuds Silang, no, Ayuds Silang, department number 6, salary 55,000. For the employee number 5, Rina Kabansag, department number 8, salary 55,000. So let's try to display report R. As you can see guys, ito yung ilalabas niya. So it is synced with our salary. So everything seems to be accurate. Okay. So, yan. Yun na yung sa pag-display ng record natin. And next, we are going to sort these records, guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, 55, 777, 423, 111, 654. I want this record, I want our employee numbers to be arranged, and as well as our records here. So, kung, for example, 111, dapat nandito siya, dapat yung record ni 111, from here, lilipat siya dito. Magpapalitan sila. So, we are going to use bubble sort algorithm. So, how can we do that? So, pumunta tayo kay void sort. Void sort, and you have to declare temporary variables. So, int, let's make this temp no, or temp number is equals to 0, dep number is equals to 0, and float temporary salary is equals to 0, and character emp name with the max characters of 50. And our normal variables here, int records is equals to 5, int swap is equals to 1, and int I, our index. So, itong dalawang variable na to, this is a flag variable, and this is our para sa for loop natin. Let's type in here printf success \n, and printf records are sorted by employee number. Okay, so for let's type in here our while loop, while swap is equals to 1, which is yung swap na yan yung flag variable natin. Hanggang si swap ay may value na 1, uulitin niya yung nasa loob nito. So swap Let's change our swap, our flag variable into 0. And next we have our for loop. I is equals to 0 semicolon. I is lesser than the number of records, which is 5. And then I plus plus increment. So dito yung medyo madugo. So prepare to have a long time understanding this one. So let's type here let's change, or let's put our record employee na our record index to a temp variable. Oh no, I accidentally pressed something. And dot emp number. Okay? So, yung value nito, ilalagay muna kay temp number, no? Ay, kay temp variable. Temp no, ayan. And then, si employees, I plus 1, lilipat natin siya kay yung value nito, ililipat natin dito. So we are just going to like copy paste this one. Okay. Ngayon naman, yung value nito ililipat natin dito. 'Di ba? So copy and paste, semicolon, and then copy paste this one. There we go. So, this goes for the same sa mga ibang records natin para ma-copy, para ma-sort sila. str cpy temp name employees I dot emp name. So, string copy rin yan dito and dito. So, let's change this to plus 1. And then, yan. Mukhang magkaiba, guys. Pero actually, same lang yan. Yung dito, same lang yan dito. Ayun nga lang kasi, when we are dealing with struct, we are going to use string copy. And then, let's copy paste this one. Okay. Let's check for errors later. And just copy paste the following codes here. Or the next codes. The previous codes rather. Change this to department number. That should be it. Depth number, diba? Oh no, it's it's depth. It's emp depth. No, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. It's emp depth. So where is that? emp depth, emp depth, emp depth, emp depth, emp depth, emp depth. And we are going to change this to emp depth. So copy paste this one. Let's change this into salary, T salary. So salary, T salary, anything you see emp depth, change it to salary. And ibig sabihin yan, yung swap natin is 0, di ba? We are going to change our swap into 1. So, babalik yan dito. Habang si swap is equals to 1, change this to 0. Yan. O nga pala guys, I'm so sorry. Dito, our conditional statement here, kapag kung si swap daw is equals to 0, no, I'm so sorry. It's not that. If our employees I tapos no, yan, is mas greater kaysa sa susunod na record, employees I plus 1 dot emp no, yun, i-execute niya itong code na to. So let's copy and paste this inside the conditional statement. So that's it. Ibig sabihin yan, kung yung employees I dot emp no natin is mas malaki kaysa doon sa employees I plus 1 dot emp no, yun, i-execute, magpapalitan sila ng doon sa nauna, doon sa susunod na record. So this loops for around, this checks for like 5 times, depende sa kung ilang number of records, hanggang sa wala nang ma-swap. Okay, so ayan. So gawin din naman natin yung search record, no? Yung search record. So okay na tayo dito sa sort employee numbers, tapos we are going to do the number 2. So sa loob ng search record natin na function, we are going to type here our for loops. Of course, we are still going to use our index and int emp number. So dito sa emp number natin, variable yan na tumatanggap ng value ng emp number na ilalagay mo. Ang gawin kasi natin dito sa function na to, kapag tinype mo yung emp number, yun yung hanapin niya sa records natin. Meron bang, for example, nilagay ko 333. Hanapin niya kung meron bang 333 na nilagay natin sa records. Int position, int records, which is the number of, we have the number 5 records. Int found is equals to 0. We have 5 records rather. And let's declare our character, our key as, okay, no, my mistake guys, we don't need this. Okay, so let's just type in here system cls. Oh no, we already have the system cls above. Okay, so let's type here printf enter employee number and scanf %d. Ilalagay natin yung tinype natin na employee number kay emp no, which is dito. And next, our while loop. And inside our while loop condition, while found is equals to 0 and I is lesser than the number of records, if emp no is equals to employees I dot emp number, found will be 1. So, yan yung flag variable natin. Ibig sabihin, nahanap na kapag yung value ng found natin is 1. Otherwise, let's move on to the next index and see if magkaparehas ba sila. So, sa baba naman nito, if found is equals to 1, kapag may nahanap na number, ang gagawin niya, system cls and printf employee record. I-display niya employee record. Then printf %20s, maybe like colon here, %d, %3d, \n, employee number, and our employees, employee number. So do this for the next record or data. Change this into name. Employees.emp name. .emp name. And change this into what's that? Department. What's this? .emp dep, and then change this into salary. Change this also into salary. And kung yung found natin is still 0, that means wala yung record na hinanap natin sa nilagay natin na records. Printf \n error employee record with %d doesn't exist. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya nag-exist yung tinype natin. Naghanap na siya, inisa-isa niya na, pero wala. Yung found is equals to 0 pa rin. That means it doesn't exist. Okay. So let's try and to see any errors, guys. Here strcp, right? First name, what's that? Oh no. Temp name. Okay, let's check for other errors again. Oh no, typo, guys, typo, sorry. Okay, dito kung mapapansin nyo, guys, magkaparehas to. Nga pala, I'm sorry, I have to remove this because it's already have been declared here. So and let's add here -1 here. Okay, guys, dyan records -1, press F11. Okay, close ko pala to. Balik tayo doon, press F11 again. So let's enter our employee records, enter employee number, maybe like 678, Kiana Caslana, enter department number 9, salary 15,000, enter employee number 436, Ayuds Silang, 55,000, employee number maybe like 100. Rina. And 87, salary 55,000. Enter employee number 99, Lawrence Camacho. Department number 9 and salary 55,000. Enter employee number again 765, my name. Okay, let's try another one. Zhongli Vasquez. Department number 87, salary 55,000. Okay, so let's display everything. Okay, so everything seems so to be accurate. 678 436 199 765. So I want to sort these into two. Again, sort these into like ascending order. Let's use our sort records key. Success records are sorted by employee number. Done. Press any key to continue. Okay, so let's try and display it again. Display report. Yun. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, ano na siya, ascending order na. 99, 100, 436, 678, 765. And yung employee number natin, tugma sa record na meron siya. So, Lawrence Camacho is 99, department salary. And si Zhongli Vasquez, same pa rin. No, guys? Same pa rin. 765 still holds our record accurately. So, let's try and search for a record. E, using the E key. Maybe like 99. Oh no. 4229700. So, okay. So, let's try another one. Maybe like 100. Employee number, salary 0. Let's try 99. So, iba-iba yung mga records. Let's try and determine where is it? And employee number, position, employee number here. Okay. Records 5 found. Like system CLS. Okay naman na pala. Employee number else I plus if found is equals to 1 system CLS employee record printf emp name emp dep. Okay, I seem to have seen the error now. It's this one. This should be %s and this is .2f. Mali-mali yung data types. Again, let's debug the program. Let's see if there is any record to it, okay, or any bug to it rather. So let's enter employee number. No. Enter employee records pressing W. So let's have it here 111 like CJ 6 salary 99,000 65 Lawrence Camacho and department number 8 salary 8,877. Enter employee number. So, tinetest lang natin kung tama yung makukuha natin na record. 222 Rina Kabansag, department number 8 and salary of 8877. employee number 333, you'd C lang. Apartment number 8, salary 8877. Employee number again 444. Zhongli was, cause apartment number of 8 and salary of 9,000. Let's display our report. So, ito yung ating report, guys. So, let's try and search for all of these records. Search employee record. Okay. Let's type here 65. Okay, so yan, lumabas. 65 Lawrence Camacho 8,877. Okay, so let's search for another record, maybe the 111. So yan, lumabas. Tugma, di ba? Mapapansin nyo, tugma rin siya dito. So 111 CJ 6 99,000. So let's try and search for another one. Maybe you'd see lang 333. So yan. And let's see if tama yung details. 333 you'd see lang 8877. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. Yun po yung inyong code test session for using Struct sorting, bubble sort, Struct, bubble sorts, and search algorithm. Kasi gumamit tayo ng linear search algorithm dyan. And as well as yung maybe yun lang. So yun, thank you for watching this video guys, and I hope you have learned something new. Bye.